and I'm gonna mix it.
I can do the hard ones. Don't you dare, Joe.
Put it all. Put more. And you gotta mix it faster so then it'll be good and mixed up. Put some of this. Oh. Swatching some rolls. Oh, that's it.
Sprinkle task?
Sprinkle it with the task. That's too much.
I thought it was.
That's too much sprinkles.
I thought it was.
Let's add a little bit of sugar. Oh no. No.
That's yummy.
No, I like the color blue, that's why. It's gonna be a blue cake.
It's white.
Oh, not too much. That's too much sweet. That'll be so many calories.
That's okay, I like that.
Oh, that'll be too sweet.
My turn.
You might even die.
Oh, wait, don't say that.
There's gonna be a lot of calories. Oh, it's gonna be a blue one.
Oh, wow. This is probably the best day ever.
It's gonna.
This is like gotta be our first secret.
Oh my god, it's super blue.
I have to make it blue. It's light blue.
It's light blue because mixing white with blue, it turns light blue. Oh.
Yeah, my teacher said that. And also,
Everybody knows that, even babies. Go push it closer. Can I eat some? Put some of this.
oh, thank you.
Swatching some rolls. Oh,
That's it. Sprinkle task?
sprinkle it with the task. That's too much.
I thought it was.
That's too much sprinkles.
I thought it was.
Let's add a little bit of sugar. Oh no. No.
That's yummy.
Go push it closer. Can I eat some?